If you missed a session from the first day by Sona Mamyan on how you can go from zero to online store in under 1 hour, this is a great chance to catch up. Sona is the Director of Growth at 10Web, an AI-powered platform that has generated over 1.5 million websites. A big thanks to 10Web, our platinum sponsor, for supporting AI agents for eCom Summit and helping e-commerce entrepreneurs go online effortlessly. Let's dive right in with Sona Mamyan.
Imagine that you have a business idea, but you are hesitant about starting your business. You know that you probably need the website, need social media accounts. The idea seems good, but you're hesitant about spending too much money on hiring talent to set up everything for you. You don't have skills necessarily to do it yourself. The technology is pretty complicated, the costs are high. And this is like the situation for many aspiring entrepreneurs throughout the world up until today. Today, AI is changing actually the game. It is giving the power back to individuals and allowing them to launch and scale their businesses online all by themselves. Hello everyone, my name is Sona. I am the Director of Growth at 10Web, and today I am going to show you one of the examples of how AI is revolutionizing e-commerce business. I will demonstrate you how to create and launch your online store fully functional under 1 hour using 10Web's AI platform. No coding required, no technical hassles, no additional tools needed, only simple prompting, a few actions with just a little bit of your patience. Before we dive in, I'd like to bring up the reason why we are in this game today. At 10Web, we share the vision that entrepreneurship is one of the true engines for the development of the human race. And by leveraging AI and open source technologies, we want to make online businesses accessible for as many people as possible. Our mission is to remove any kind of technical barriers to entry and give individuals the tools they need to succeed in launching and growing their businesses online. Look, having an online presence for any business is no longer optional. It's essential. Just look at these numbers. Over 80% of shoppers research businesses online before they make a purchase, and they are more likely to make a purchase if the business has a website. And yet, over 40% of existing businesses have reported that they don't currently have any website. And I'm not even speaking about the unrealized potential of so many people that have business ideas in their mind, but are hesitant about launching them. And there are 3 important factors that are getting on the way of these people who want to launch their businesses online. First, it's complicated platforms that are too technical and time-consuming to digest. Second is high costs associated with design, development, and maintenance and hiring talent. And lastly, poor performance. Slow websites with bad user experiences drive customers away and are harming the business more than helping. So what if AI can handle everything for you? This is where 10Web comes in. Our AI-powered store builder removes every technical barrier. AI builds your store in minutes, fully functional and optimized for any device. It sets up your store in initial products so that you can adapt it to your business needs later. AI Copilot helps you customize everything in your storefront and website with simple prompts. One-click payment integration with Stripe Connect lets you start selling instantly, and you get a free custom domain as a bonus to host your brand. After launching your website, there are endless possibilities from our WordPress ecosystem that let you adapt and update your website as you grow and need more functionality. This is how a lot of people are getting from zero to selling in practically no time. Okay, that's enough of speaking. Let's finally see 10Web in action. I will walk you through a demo for an e-commerce store creation and launching for Handmade Ceramics Art Studio. will start by navigating to TimeWeb and providing the full context of your website, description, what you're doing, the name of the brand, etc. The more context you provide, the better the results will be and the better the AI will understand what you're trying to build. In the next phase, AI is actually creating the structure of your website, the home page, the secondary pages with all of the sections that are inside those pages. One of the coolest parts about TimeWeb is that you can actually modify these sections and add new sections to your pages as needed. In this example, we are going to create a new section for our artisans and provide a little bit of context what the section should be reflecting. Each of these sections have actually their own descriptions and prompts. You can go deeper and edit those prompts. We can also delete the pages that we don't think should be there and add new secondary pages. In this example, we are going to create 2 additional pages for About Us and about the foundation that is sponsoring the ceramics art studio. Just like this, AI is generating the additional secondary pages together with the sections that are inside those pages. We can go deeper and tweak all of these sections as well. I've just used the drag and drop to change the order of the sections and make sure that the context of one of the sections is reflecting the business. In the next phase, we can also tweak and play around with the styles of the store, with colors, fonts. After making sure that we're okay with the styling as well, all we have to do is to generate. Don't be surprised if you see a different flow when you try to create your website, because we are constantly working on our flows, making sure that we are providing as much value as possible to our users. One of the important aspects about TimeWeb solution is that it's not simply creating a visually nice front end or a homepage for you. It is actually creating a fully functional website already hosted on Google Cloud. And all you have to do is to make sure that the website information, the context, your products are matching to your actual business, and you can launch it instantly. Hosting will be handled. You will get a free custom domain. We will see it in a minute. So practically like everything will be handled for you. All you have to do is to make sure that the website you have generated matches your business specifics and context. So in this example, the AI has done an excellent job. It has created the homepage according to the sections presented before. I will have the chance to tweak and change the names of the artisans or the pictures to reflect my actual business, because that's what defining our business is, right? It has all of the secondary pages. The content looks relevant. The pages that we have added are in the footer actually. We will quickly move it to the header in a few minutes. Most importantly, the website, as I said, is fully functional. All of the pre-created products are functional and working. The checkout page is ready. The internal links are functional and working. For example, in this section, I hit view collections and it takes me to the collections page. Okay, we're happy with the initial results. Let's try and make some tweaks and edits using our editor and AI Copilot. When you activate your free trial, don't forget about using your special 20% off for all Ecom Agent Summit users. Simply use Ecom Agents in the promo code or follow one of the links in the website that will automatically apply the coupon for you at the checkout. After we activate 1 week free, the system is preparing your website for editing. The first thing that we're going to try inside editor is to give the AI Copilot a try and to add a secondary button that will take the users to attend a workshop or book a workshop. You can see that the button is not only added automatically with nice branded colors, but it is also automatically linked to the proper page. So AI has figured out from the context that we want this button to be connected to the workshops page, and it did the internal linking for us. The next thing I have seen and want to change is the artisan section. I don't personally like it in this format and would like to have more of a card view. This is one of the examples that you can actually use the Elementor editor as well. All of the widgets have their specific settings that you can play around and change on the left side of the editor. In this case, I have changed the view type, and I can also go in and change the name and the pictures of our artisans. The next cool feature of TimeWeb is adding a full section with AI. Let's say it is Christmas time and we want to add a Christmas collection section. Again, we use simple prompting, describe our section. AI will suggest 3 options for the format with a little bit of differences in the design and the layout. And we can simply select the one that we like the most, and it will be automatically placed in our page. Alright, one last thing that I demonstrate now is again using the AI Copilot to play around with texts or images. You can do the same with the images as well. So you simply select the section, and in this example I want to make the description shorter. I will prompt it and the AI will do it for me. Alright, it looks like our homepage is fine for now. We can move forward and add some of the actual products that we have to the website, because everything has been created as placeholders for products, but they're not reflecting the actual products that we are selling. We navigate to products and we add a new product. All we have to do is to input the title, some short and long descriptions that will be reflected on the product page. Here again, AI can help you with generation of the descriptions. We also have to upload some images of our product, the main image, and also the secondary images. One thing that will help you greatly is to have all of your product assets ready by the time that you want to set up your store, so that it will be easier for you to quickly upload all of your material and photos and everything, and to get your website to reflect your own business. We will also input the price of the product and the sale price, if there is any. We can also track the quantity of the product through TimeWeb's platform and input the initial quantity of the product, and the system will automatically track your inventory as well. We can also create some product options. In this case, I'm going to use spheric and Christmas tree shaped kinds of the same product. Okay, great. Our Christmas ornament product seems to be ready. The last thing I will do is to select the category and the collection. I'm going to select the ceramics category, and I'm going to add it to this new collection, seasonal collection that I have created. Here we go. We can save the draft or we can publish the product right away. In this case, I have published the product. It is ready to go. Let's preview it. Everything looks good. The description is there, the price is correct, the stock quantity is tracked. It has even filled in the section with additional suggestions for the user. The images look good. Alright, let's pass to the next important aspect of setting up an online store, setting up our payments. Again, we will need to use our e-commerce dashboard and navigate to payment methods this time. I'm going to activate cash on delivery, direct from bank payment, and most importantly, there is the option to quickly activate your integration with Stripe payments, which will allow you to accept online payments right away. If you're not sure about activating or don't have your business information ready at hand, you can also activate the test mode, just like I did for this account, in order to get a sense of what it will look like. You will automatically have a Stripe account created for you. You can navigate to your Stripe account and view your payment details. And you can also see the same information about your transactions and payouts directly from TimeWeb dashboard. Apart from payments and products, you will also be able to track your orders in your dashboard, see your customers, monitor your business performance, etc. Alright, we are done with demonstrating the e-commerce dashboard as well. Let's pass to the next important phase, which is connecting a custom domain to your website. We are going to navigate to domain section this time, get free domain. If you already have a custom domain for your website, you can connect it as well. But in this case, we are going to see how TanWeb can actually find candidates of free domains for us, and we can turn them on and to point our website to those domains just in a few clicks. This domain name option works perfectly for me. I'm going to grab it. Once you get the domain, you will need to verify it from your email. After quick verification, you will be able to make that domain as primary domain for your website. Cool. Just like this, now my website is not just some random TanWeb address, but it has its own unique address of keramazarts.com. Let's try and see if we can navigate to it already. Yep, the website is fully ready, fully functional. Of course, I would not consider this as done because all of the products are not updated. The information about the artisans and everything need to be updated according to my business needs. But this is like a great starting point. It already like has the Christmas collection that I have added with only one product that I have created in this category. And just by seeing how quickly and how easily this works, it is truly like serving as a motivation to go on with the launching and creation of your business, and you can basically set everything up quickly and launch your online business in practically like under an hour or so. There is another thing that I would like to show you how to do quickly. You remember those two additional pages that we have created about us and about Goy Foundation, which are not in the header now. I'm going to demonstrate the navigation menu for you and how to work with it. All right, we go to our TanWeb dashboard, navigate to navigation this time. Here we can see all of our menus, including the header and the footer menus. We are going to use this combined e-commerce menu and add our pages to this. Simply click add an item, select the pages that we want to add, and save. Since TanWeb is automatically handling the speed optimization for your website, which includes caching, make sure after each change, if you want to see the reflection on your website instantly, go to Hosting, Tools, and Clear Cache. All right, now we can see that the pages that we have added to the header are properly reflected and functional. Speaking of hosting, let's see what we have. We have the redirect section where we can add pages to redirect to other pages in your website. We can monitor the resource usage. We can also enable the staging environment and make sure that everything looks good, and after that we can move the changes to the production environment. Like I said, TanWeb is also automatically handling the speed optimization for your website. In this case, it is already on extreme optimization. And finally, my favorite feature, creating a whole new page with AI on your existing website. Let's say our business has grown and we need additional pages, or we have forgot to add one. We can easily do that again with AI with pretty similar experience as we have created the website. In this example, our ceramics art studio has developed a new educational program for junior artisans, and we are going to create a page for that. We describe the page in a few words, and AI is creating the new page in a pretty similar experience to what we have seen with the website creation. It creates the page, the sections in the page. I want to also add a benefit section. Make sure that the prompt and the description looks good. And we're good to go. Great, this is the new page that AI has created for us. And you see the content is pretty relevant with already some placeholders for the images as well. Again, all we have to do is to make sure that the content and the images reflect our business, and we're ready to go. Everything looks good. Let's navigate to TimeWeb dashboard one more time. The page is added in the AI Builder section of our dashboard. You can see it, it's here. All we have to do in order to publish the website is to change the status from draft to published. Well, that's it. That was easy, right? It is not only easy, but actually fun as well, because you see the results of your actions. You see that your website is ready, most of the work is already done, and all you have to do is some incremental changes and improvements in order to get your online presence to a better place. These are some of the recent examples I have collected for you. So we have a user that has created a website for their consulting business, providing courses, ebooks, guides for professional development. Another sweet example of a cannoli house that has created a website to sell their handmade delicious cannoli. Another interesting business offering specialized services to meet the unique needs of grassroots clubs. You can see that e-commerce stores can be used not only for physical goods, but also for services. In this example, they are doing this service of highlights, packages of photographies from different places. This simple and nice website selling electricity devices. This beautiful website of selling art and paintings for your home. Another interesting one selling collection cards. And the French boutique business selling handmade soap. In all of these examples that we have just seen, people have generated their websites using TimeWeb AI. They have integrated to online payments using TimeWeb Payments, and they have already started making sales. Isn't it wonderful? This is what drives us at TimeWeb, seeing people succeed in their online businesses. This is it for today's session. Don't forget about your special discount. Simply follow any TimeWeb link on the website or use Ecom Agents coupon during checkout. Thank you very much for joining me today, and let's create incredible businesses together.
Sona, thanks again for an amazing session. The way AI can transform an idea into a fully functional store so quickly is just incredible. We truly appreciate your support